Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Hot Toys Falcon and the Winter Soldier, or the TMS-039. Now if you have watched my previous video, I have also unboxed the Hot Toys Falcon. And if you already have this collectible, I suggest that you also check this out. These two go together, but don't get me wrong, this is not a bundle. You will buy this separately, but if you already have this one, I recommend that you also get the Falcon, because in this TV series, Bucky Barnes or the Falcon teamed up with the Falcon in fighting the rebel group, the Flag Smashers. Now this is a TMS figure, meaning this is based on the TV series. Now back to the figure. Before we do the unboxing, let's review the box first. On the box, you will see an image of Bucky Barnes or the Winter Soldier on front of the box. On top of the box, it says Marvel Studios, The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, the title of the TV series. On both sides of the box, you will see the logo of Captain America, because we all know that the Falcon is the successor of Steve Rogers as Captain America. So if you are a fan of the Marvel line or a fan of Captain America, this too is a must-have figure. Now, the back of the box, like every Hot Toys box, is the details on who manufactured the toy, when it was manufactured, and who sculpted the collectible. Now let's remove the sleeve. Upon removing the sleeve, you would immediately see the 1/6 scale collectible and the accessories that comes with it, and an image of Captain America's shield. Now without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Now upon removing the box, you will immediately see the manual that comes with the figure, and of course Bucky Barnes or the Winter Soldier itself. Let's remove the plastic to have a clearer view. On the figure, now this plastic is quite tight, quite sticky. Let's leave that first and concentrate on the head sculpt. If we look at the head sculpt, it is a very realistic head sculpt, very detailed. Even the hair is made out of plastic, not hair sculpted, but nevertheless looks very realistic. Even the back of the head, the facial hair, even the eyes. You see the eyes, it's very realistic and very detailed, very movable as well. And this one really looks like Bucky Barnes. If you have the Infinity Wars version of this one, the Infinity Wars version has a longer hair, and this is more Bucky Barnes-like than the previous one released by Hot Toys. This one is made out of plastic and a combination of fabric, and this is approximately 30 centimeters tall. This is a light figure. Even the sole of the shoes is highly detailed, and there are leather parts too. Besides the fabric and plastic, the upper clothing is made out of leather, and even the pants is highly detailed. The back highly detailed as well. This one's made out of plastic, hard plastic, and this one has 30 points of articulation. Now let's check the posability of this figure. The waist is very movable. The arms as well can be raised sidewards, removable arms. The pegs are here just in case you damage it, and the legs joints very movable too. The knees are very movable. I don't see any issues about it. This one can be removed, and it has 5. How many extra hands does this one have? 8 extra hands for Bucky Barnes. And what else is inside the box? A machine gun. It has a detailed machine gun, very detailed weapon. Even has a telescope, and this one's movable, and it also has a magazine with it. A very detailed accessory. And of course, in every Hot Toys figure there is a base or a display stand. On the display stand it says Marvel Studios The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. This one is the title of the TV series, and on front of the display stand it says Winter Soldier, and beneath the display stand it says Marvel 2022 Hot Toys Limited. So this one is a recent figure made by Hot Toys, only released 2 years ago. And what else is inside? Besides the there is also a small dagger that comes with the figure. This one's made out of hard plastic, very glossy, looks like metal, but this one is made out of hard plastic. Even the handle, the daggers, highly detailed, just like the machine gun and the clip. Now, there is no accessories that comes with it besides the hands and the 2 weapons. Let's try to come up with a display pose for this figure. This is the display pose that we've come up with. We place the rifle on the right hand of Bucky Barnes or the Winter Soldier, and the magazine or the clip on his left hand. Now, if you already have the Falcon figure, I suggest or recommend that you also purchase this one. These two looks great together in this TV series. The Falcon and the Winter Soldier teamed up against the Flag Smashers Rebel group. You might want to watch that series too. And if you enjoyed this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching.